Positional 5-axis capabilities offer substantial advantages when it comes to simplifying job setups and streamlining manufacturing processes. So why does it seem like every 5-axis CAM package is either too expensive or too complicated to be worth it? Fusion 360 uses a simple yet powerful workflow to transform any milling toolpath into 3+2 or positional 5-axis. Easily leverage the power of Fusion 360 CAD and CAM to set up and program with multi-part fixtures to increase your efficiency. Reach features that would have taken yet another setup on a 3-axis machine, skipping the custom fixturing and machine setup time between operations. Plus, since the part remains in the same machine setup for most features, you maintain a tighter tolerance between features without painstaking locating processes. Verify your positional 5-axis toolpaths with stock simulation, including the tool, holder, work holding, and machine table to ensure there are no collisions before you head to the machine. Use Fusion 360 to unlock the power of your 5-axis machines without increasing programming time, increasing your productivity and process efficiency. All this and more in Fusion 360.